Sometimes it's fun playing the little games with these little holiday decorations. I think this one turns on. I think it just needs new batteries. But speaking of games, today we're doing another advent calendar. And we might just be up to some Reindeer Games. So let's go get Sarah and see what the fun's all about. Hey, lovely.
Hey.
How's it going?
Good.
Hey, guess what?
What?
It's advent calendar time,
Advent time.
and I have some games.
Some games.
So we're gonna play a reindeer game.
You guys didn't know I'm famous for my reindeer hooves every time the sleigh ride song comes on and we're like in the car by myself or with him. I'm like,
That's my favorite. Let's go see what you got.
all right, let's do it. Guys, let's see what Mom got. It's advent calendar time. They're like, no way, Jose.
They're like, it's late.
They're over it. They're like, it's time for bed. I don't know why you guys didn't do that this morning. All right, here we go. Day 17. Guys, we're getting close. Look how close we are.
Oh, I know.
It's exciting. All right. December 17th. A cup of cheer for a crisp evening's delight. Enjoy the moment as each and everyone is truly a gift. Much love. Look down. He's pointing down. Under here. Oh, so sneaky. He used the pillow as a little disguise. Oh, she got a little Roscato. That definitely won't fit in there.
I know, I tried.
Probably, maybe.
No, I tried.
Did you?
Yeah,
Oh, no.
it won't stay.
Too heavy.
Simon was looking at me like,
It's like,
you know, buddy,
that's
that's
not gonna
totally
work
not gonna fit.
out. Oh, it's all right.
It's okay, little Simon.
Cool. Thank you.
Cool.
Yeah. You guys didn't know I'm a wine lover, a specialty in sweet things like sweet reds, Moscatos. Yep. So
She's a wine aficionado.
I don't know if I'm that level yet, but I'm working there. But yeah, it's a good stuff. I like this one a lot. So
I know you've got a day off to yourself.
That's right. Tomorrow I have the whole day.
Thought it
off.
would be a perfect one.
So as I finish I'm making a lot of my Christmas gifts this year, so I'm going to be actually very busy tomorrow in the most relaxed way, and this will help that. So cool.
Too bad I didn't get to make it champagne, so you could just mix it with some orange juice and have a
Mimosa.
mimosa.
That's all right. I'll be a little more alert in the morning this way. It should be
Santa
good.
calls this here a cup of cheer.
A cup of very cheerful cheer. All right. Well, that's it for today, guys. Day 17. We're real close.
Mm-hmm.
All right. I'm excited. We'll see you next time. Be merry.